How to change YouTube music language. First, what you want to do is to change the YouTube music language. You'll be able to do so from your device's settings. You want to simply go to your settings of your device, and here you want to simply scroll down to language, and over here, or system language, or whatever your language settings says. You want to simply tap on system over here, tap on language and input, and here you'd be able to see all the language options over here. You can simply tap on this language option. By doing so, you'd be able to select this other languages option over here, and you'd be able to see all of the available language. You want to simply switch your language over here. You want to select your preferred language, and by doing so, you'd be able to change your device's language. And by doing so, the app will use the supported language available for your account and device as well once you open the application over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.